Hi, my kindergarten readers. Today, we're going to read a new book called Amazing Animals Snakes. But before we get started, let's do a quick review about what we know about books. Remember that the author is the person that thinks first, then writes the words. This book, there is no illustrator because the pictures in this informational book are not drawings, they're photographs. Today we're going to read a few pages of our new book, and then we're going to go back to the chart that we started yesterday and add new information to the chart. We're looking to see what things are the same in each book and what things are different in the informational books about snakes. Let's get started. Amazing Animals Snakes. This picture is either really cool or really creepy. Mrs. Warren wouldn't like it at all. At the top of this page, there's a small caption. It says, "All snakes bend and twist their bodies to move." Snakes are long, thin reptiles. They do not have any legs. There are about 2,700 kinds of snakes in the world. At the bottom of this page, there's a definition. It says reptiles, animals that have scales and a body that is always as warm or as cold as the air around it. A snake uses its tongue like other animals use noses. That's what the small caption with the picture of the scales, of the snake at the top says. Snakes are covered with scales. The scales help protect the snakes. Snakes' scales come in lots of colors. Some are green or brown, others are red or black. Snakes have a forked tongue. They use their tongue to pick up smells from the air. Did you notice that the word forked was written in green in the sentence? And down at the bottom, the definition for forked is there. Forked means that something is split into two or more parts. That's all we're going to read for today, and let's get ready to work on the slide on the next page.